Hello, welcome to TVCMALL channel. So have you ever wondered this phone charger you use every day, how it's actually made? Today with TVCMALL, we're taking you inside the senses of how this power adapter is essential use every day. So let's go! Inside a charger, there are some key components that make everything work together. Typically, you will find capacitors, resistors, transformers, and charging ports. Each part plays a specific role, converting power, regulating volts, and delivering stable charging to your device. This one is designed with a USB port and a Type-C port. They produce different many models. Depending on the model, the inner components and the production process may be vary. The whole production starts with this automatic whitening machine. At this stage, copper wire and isolating tabs are wrapped automatically by the machine, keeping the process clean and precise. This automatic water machine is so cool.你好，可以给我们简单介绍一下这台机器吗？看起来很高端。
我们这台机器书面语言叫 AI 机，也就是插件机吧。把我们现有的这个把这个元器件插到这个板上面去，这样的话就是说，减少人工呢。我们一台机器可以打10几个零件，这样的话就是效率蛮高的。
Here they are assembling the transformer and USB port to the board. Assembling. You will see both automatic equipment and skilled workers working together, plugging, assembling, and checking each unit as it stays sharp.
小宋你好，就问一下，你这台机器1个小时产量大概是多少个？
大概800个左右。
This is a laser engraving machine. It allows to customize product information such as model numbers and technical specifications. This is the aging testing room. Before any charger leaves the factory, it goes through multiple tests. Some are powered on for long periods to simulate real-time use, just like charging your phone day after day. This is an EMC test. It checks whether the charger produces too much electromagnetic interference while operating. All electronic devices generate some level of radiation, but this test ensures the product stays within national safety limits before certification. Once approved, products are marked, packed, and prepared for shipping. This factory supports customized packaging and branding, which is one of the reasons TVCMALL partners with manufacturers like this. Inside this factory, everyone follows a clear set of working steps. Each row has its own SOP, so the process stays organized and consistent throughout production. This is also one of the key reasons we choose to work with factories like this. Finished products are stored and organized in a warehouse, ready to ship worldwide, supporting TVCMALL's global supply network. This is an sample display area. Here, their certifications are displayed, reflecting their commitment to meeting required safety and compliance standards. For TVCMALL, visiting factory like this isn't about just filming, it's about understanding the process of every product we offer, from daily use phone chargers to power adapters for global markets. This is how quality, consistency, and supply come together. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more behind-the-scenes stories from TVCMALL, don't forget to like and subscribe us. See you.